Hey guys, it's Amber with Amber's Team of Jewels, and I just wanted to show you guys how I personally ship out from home. So whenever you're shipping from home, you are going to be saving quite a bit of money. I personally use Pirateship, and it is a 90% discounted rate from the USPS rates. Right now with COVID in 2020, 2021, prices are a little bit higher than they were whenever I first started out. Of course, the USPS changes their prices every year. So things have raised up in prices slightly, but that is all the more of a reason for you to be shipping at home. And it's super easy. It's not rocket science. And I'm going to show you how I ship from home. All right, so you are obviously going to want to be putting the jewelry that your customer purchased in the bag. Along with that, I also put in my business card, and then on the back of the business card, I do write a personal little thank you to the customer, because guys, you always want to be extremely grateful to your customers. They do not have to be purchasing from you. They could literally purchase from any other consultant in America, but you know, they want to shop with you because they like you, then they want to support you. So you in return need to be extremely vocal about how grateful you are to them. And so, all right. So like I said, I have all the jewelry ready. It's going in the bag. And you're also going to be wanting to get bubble mailers. I got these in today. They're super cute. I believe they are about a 6x10. I got them off of Amazon, super cheap, and they are bubble mailers. So the bubble wrap is already inside. And so I gotta figure out how I want to do this. And then you just fit it in the bag. Of course, if your customers do have bigger orders, I would suggest getting like a 10x14 bag, just to make sure that you have multiple bags sizes to compensate for different orders and all that good stuff. And then all of your mailers are gonna have this cute little tab, and you just pull it and seal it. Voila. All right, so it's nice and sealed. And if you are a little bit nervous and you're afraid that it's gonna come up, you can just slap on a piece of tape right there. All right. Then I have thank you stickers. And like I said, you want to be extremely vocal about how thankful you are to your customers. So sometimes I'll just stick one in the middle, and sometimes I'll stick two. It doesn't matter, because as soon as they see that little thank you sticker, they're already gonna be feeling so good. And I promise you guys, it is completely worth purchasing thank you stickers. All right, so I have that going on. All right, so now I'm going to show you the actual process of using Pirateship and getting all the measurements for your bag and all that good stuff. All right, you guys, so I'm so sorry my lighting is not the best, but here is my little Dymo scale and my Dymo 4XL. So you're going to want to put your package on your scale, and it reads 2.8 ounces. Got to remember that. And so after you have all of that, I'm going to go ahead and take you over to actual Pirateship. All right, you guys, so I am on my desktop for Pirateship. So you're going to put your customer's info, and I'm going to try my best to block all of my customer's info right here. And then you are going to want to pick the type of packaging. So it has tons of different options if you have a box or if you're using priority mail boxes. I use envelopes, padded, envelopes, poly bags, soft pack, box in a bag, all of that. So I'm gonna click that one. And it says that you wanna measure and use the length and the width of the envelope before putting anything in it. So I have a 6x10, so we're gonna put 6x10, and then we're gonna go down to the weight, and it was 2.8 ounces. So super duper easy. And then, oops, sorry, I don't know how to work my computer, you guys. All right, So next you are going to want to click on extra services, which I already had it clicked, but you're going to hit extra services and you are going to want to go ahead and add insurance, you guys. This is to protect your customer's package. So if it gets lost, it's going to hopefully be able to refund your money or all that good stuff. So the pricing on here is 75 cents for up to $50 of the value in the package. And then if it's $100 or every $100, it's going to be 80 cents. So it's very, very inexpensive, and it's something I highly recommend doing. So my customer had $15 worth of jewelry in there. She had 3 pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and hit 15. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit get rates. Sorry, my computer is a little slow. And then you can see all of the information here. So it says, you know, it was a first class package and it cost $2.74. And y'all, the actual retail price, if you would have gone to the post office to get it done, it says it would have been $4.55. Yeah, and you're getting it so much cheaper here. And then for the insurance, it costs 75 cents. So this label is only going to cost you $3.49 compared to the $4.55 that you would have paid at the post office. And then right here, you can have this box checked, which I always have it checked. So it's going to go ahead and email your customer that you have gotten their package ready to ship off, and it's going to give them all of the shipping information. Of course, there are shipment details here, and it has like all the good information like the declared package value, the dimensions, label size, all that good stuff. So then you will, and you're just going to go ahead and hit buy label. All right, and I personally have a Dymo printer, and so I'm gonna have it print. We're gonna kind of look over here, hold on. You're gonna print the label, and then you'll wanna make sure it's hooked up to the correct printer. Let's see. Y'all, this is slower than slow. All right, I'm gonna have it print to my Dymo printer. And so this is how fast it prints off with my Dymo. And ready, you guys? We're gonna hit print, and voila. There is our shipping label. All right, so now that you have your shipping label, you're gonna go ahead and just peel it off, and you're gonna put it onto your package. All right, so you guys, I do like to add religious stickers to my packages, or if you want, you could also do fragile stickers, which I'm out of right now, so I need to go back and order more of those. But like this one is something that I love. It just says, until God opens the next door, praise him in the hallway. So I'm going to take that off. And usually I have a little bit bigger packaging, and so I have more room on the front next to the label to kind of put it. But you want to make sure that it's not going to be in the way of anything on the label. So like it kind of seems like wherever I'd put it, it'd be in the way. So I'm just going to go ahead and just stick it on the back of the packaging, and it's super uplifting and I love it. And yes, so all I have to do now is go drop this off either at the post office, or you can use those big blue mail drop boxes. Just stick that in there. Everything is paid for. It's ready to go. All right, you guys, so that's how you can ship it home and save money with your business, and also make sure that your customers' jewelry is going to be insured. And yeah, so here you go, guys. Y'all have a great day. Thanks, guys.